Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Keegan, aka the General, and I'm back with another video. So today it's not a car show, it's not a car meet. As you can see, I'm at home, and currently my boot don't wanna open. I mean close. So I have no idea what's going on. And I hope in this video we're gonna try and fix it. Try and get to the problem, what's the issue. So stick with me, rock with me. I see you. Like, comment, subscribe, all that. Leave comments down. So guys, this is the issue. This guy over here, yeah, it's stuck. It does not want to close. So I have no idea what to do. Because one thing I'm scared to do is actually get into the car and drive with the boot open. It just don't make no sense. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, because come and show you. See ya. Can you hear? So nothing actually works. The key doesn't work. Let me give you guys like a quick rundown of what's happening. So if you look, it locks. So the key works. Everything works. But if you press the boot button, that irritating sound, nothing happens. So I have no clue. I have no clue as to what to do, where to go from here, because this thing is irritating me. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go check YouTube videos on what to do, how to, because it's irritating me. Because I don't know, because this thing works for a key. It works for a key. Even if I show you guys, even if I put the key in the slow key thingy magic, it doesn't open. So as you guys can see, still nothing. It's irritating. God, like there's no response. So as you guys can see, there's like nothing. There's like no sign, nothing. When you press the key, it just makes bzz, like a small quiet sound, which it never does, which might be a sign that the battery is flat, but it can't be the battery because the car starts and all the lights work and everything. So I have no clue. Doesn't work on the key fob, doesn't work when you put the key in. And then I think you guys know, if you're a BMW owner, you know there's a latch at the bottom where you can click, which opens it. So it's like a door handle for a boot. See what I did there? But anyway, it doesn't work either. So it's irritating, and it doesn't even clip. It's like literally just open. So now for me it's very scary. I don't know what to do, but yeah, guys, stick with me. Yeah, so guys, I'm actually on my way now to the mechanic, because that stuff is talking about buying cables and wiring, and it's a whole big mess. So I was like, let me take it to the mechanic This is actually the dude that redid this whole engine by himself. So yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys when I get there. Peace. Oh yeah, guys, it got even worse, right? So basically, after looking for his mechanic's house now because he's moving all over the show, that whole I'll actually show you guys when I get home. But the whole PC, the whole dulachi, that thingy magic that locks the boot to the body must be changed because that thing is now wearing out. It's old, and and this guy is not now lekker to drive because the smallest thing that you hit, the boot flips and it goes up, and it's just irritating. So that whole clip is about 300 rand. It's about 300. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, because this isn't fun. It's not fun. So yeah, I'll catch you guys and I'll show you guys everything when I get home. Peace. Yo, I'm sorry for this, ne? But so I'm actually now, like I said, I'll tell you guys at home, and I was actually sent to go buy the boot lid. But Goldwagen, they don't have the lid, right? They telling me that I must go to BMW. It's just so irritating, you know that. It's so irritating. And now the mechanic is waiting for me also. Today is a very hectic day, nah? But I'm gonna try and give you guys a nice vlog, a lekker vlog. So yeah, I'm actually on my way now to pick up my brother, and then after that straight to the Glen, find out how much is this thing, like the exact price, buy it, install it, or come home first, install it, and then do everything. Let me just come down here. So yeah, guys, I'll get you guys when I get home. Yeah, guys, so it's to the Glen with us. We're going to the Glen now. Actually not, before we go. Okay, come. Wait. Hey. This is the struggle of owning a BM. Yes, don't bang my fingers, please. It's closed now. Alright. So yeah, guys, it's tough being us. Yeah. Let's do this. So yeah, guys, I had to fight with this guy to come with me because he wanna fight with me. Hey, dress. Sharp. So yeah, as you can see, we're going to the Glen now. And I know this vlog's been all over the place, but bear with me, guys. Yeah, today's been hectic, very hectic. I can't deal with what's going on. But yeah, it's actually, yeah. So now we're gonna go there. We're gonna see what these people say, and I hope this thing is not more than 300, 350. If it's more than that, I'm gonna put zip ties there on the boot, cause yeah, no ways. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I see you. Sharp. We let's just go have a look see. Let's go hear what these guys say. Hopefully, I can record it inside ne. But I don't know. I'll see you later. Yeah, guys. So now ne, come I tell you ne. Come I tell you. Those people want 7,000 rand for a airflow meter. Yeah. To be honest, ne, guys, I'm gonna give you like no. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna be funny. I'm gonna be honest with you. Don't buy a BMW. You're gonna cry. 7,000 rand for an airflow meter. No, that is crazy. For a boot lid. How much did you pay? Come on, I will show you when I get home the setup. Do you know I'm not gonna lie? I'm not playing no games. I'm not exaggerating. That stuff is crazy. For you guys. And now my question, and this is a 2004 model, né? And the people are charging so much for this car. Imagine you driving a 2021 and you braking. Imagine how much is a service. Ooh, yeah, man. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna tell you now, don't play with BM. If you're thinking, buy a Conquest, buy a Toyota, a Corolla, a Kia. It's fine. Don't think about getting no BMW. You're gonna chunk, boss. Okay, guys, I'm at home. I went to BM Evaluate. So quick update. So I was told. I'm sorry. I'm very tired, guys. Sorry. Yeah. So actually, I got the trunk lid. I'm gonna show you guys now everything. I got a trunk lid, so it will be here tomorrow. And you guys are gonna see that in tomorrow's video. So stick around for that one. Yeah. Let me show you guys. When I said to you, BM is not for a faint-hearted. Nah. It's not for a faint-hearted. Yeah. Okay, so as you guys can see, zero trunk lid plus switch. So that's one. So it's 642 rand, nah, for one. And then everything after VAT is 738 rand. For okay, come, I didn't show you guys yet. Let me show you. Come see here. There's a key. Okay, but the boot doesn't even open, so doesn't close. I don't even know what's the this stupid thing. Almost 1,000 rand for this. So yeah, guys, it's, and also guys, while we ate it now, I have these two dents here. If you guys can see, comment down below. Let me know if you guys know anyone that can, fix these dents for me, because even here you can see the paint is coming off. Yeah, so I was with the guy just now. He wants like about what, 1,000 something, 1,005, 1,006 to fix this whole bumper fender here. So yeah, guys, concludes today's video. Please like, comment, subscribe, get me at least, you know what, no? For this YouTube game, people told me there's a strategy. Don't expect more, as long as you get me to 1,000, it would be nice. But it's, yeah, come on. So at least get me to 50 subscribers. I won't say 50,000. Get me to 50 subscribers. No, it will be nice. It will be enjoyable. So yeah, guys, peace, love, enjoy.